Press it again. There.
She's loud.
She's
She's loud.
I wonder what else is loud. What? That's your girlfriend?
His phone is loud.
Oh. Okay. Like I care.
All fucked up.
How much you think I care, bro? How much you think I care about that? Oh, dude, my brother has some wheels. Let me go jack that shit up.
Let's go.
I'm sure it's gonna work out
Hey,
real
dude,
well.
we'll be back.
Do I wanna be on it?
No. It was on birth control.
Alright. Where's my brother's sleeping bowl? He doesn't use it anyways. Not that one. That's one. There's some small ass board he had. Let's see where that shit is.
Did your sister really lock us out?
No. There's some small ass board. We're locked.
We're locked in. Did you really spray paint your L?